Hey guys, I'm here to do a quick review of the Jetboil Flash. This is something that I've been using for pretty much everything from cooking to boiling water. You know, you can make coffee, you can make oatmeal, hot chocolate, you can use the Mountain House meals. It pretty much does everything I need to do in one convenient package. The Jetboil Flash uses the flux ring technology that helps boil water faster than just about anything else on the market. I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how quickly we can boil water using this little item right here. So what I'm going to do, it's got a nice little silicone top lid. Put that right there. The Java press plunger. The actual burner itself. The fuel adapter stabilizer tripod. The pot adapter, the Java press plunger. I guess that's the actual press itself, not the plunger. And this, it can contain up to a 100-gram fuel cartridge. So I'm going to show you real quick on how fast we can get this thing going. So, first thing you want to do is get your tripod, your fuel tripod out, and it snaps in. And one thing this thing does, it actually connects a 230-gram. One thing this thing does, you can also use the 230-gram cartridge, and this one cartridge right here still has a little bit of fuel left in it after 3 months of use. So I used it 3 months of cooking and boiling water, and it has about 3 months of use. So we'll put that one down over there. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, pull that little guy off. You want to flip that ring out. That will thread right onto there. Screw that in. What I like about the Jetboil Flash is it has an igniter on it. A lot of the Jetboils out there do not have an included igniter. So I really like that one. Yeah. What you want to do is get these rings. What you want to do is get this groove right here. Line these grooves up. Lock it on. It's locked into place. Now what you want to do is add your water. This thing will hold up to 2 cups. I don't know if you can see that in there. There's a line. A 2-cup line right there. So it makes it really easy to, you know, 1 cup of coffee, 1 cup is in the oatmeal. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to actually time this. We're going to time this on a timer on how quickly we can boil water. Yeah. So what I do, I turn the gas all the way, start it. We'll just let it go, see how long it takes before we come to a boil. Put the lid back on. This thing has a lid, so this right here, you'll see the boil, when it starts boiling, you'll see the steam coming out of this hole. And that hole also is what uses with the Java press. That little thing will go down in there also. So at about 1 minute and 20, I'm seeing my first bit of steam come out. Alright. So at 3 minutes and 21 seconds, I've got a complete boil. So you see that, you got your boil going. So around about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to have a complete boil. What I want to show you is once your water is boiling, you'll remove this off of here. You can set your oven down. Then I like to use a couple, that's like 2 full spoons full of coffee per every 2 cups of water. I learned my lesson the hard way by putting the coffee in there and letting it boil. That was a terrible mistake. I had coffee grains just blowing everywhere. It was terrible. So what I want to do is, once I get it, I'll stir it up. Assemble the Java press. You want to assemble this thing facing downward, so when it goes down, it's catching all of the coffee grounds inside that filter. So you want to go like that and put that on there. Barn door flying open. Once you put that on there like that, you'll push that through there, through that hole. Close that up. Then I want to press slowly. Once I get that press there, then one hard press. Now normally what I do, I let this set for maybe another minute. So after about a minute, so what I want to do is get my coffee. There you go. I've got a complete cup of coffee ready to go. As much as I'm shaking, I look like I've already been drinking enough damn coffee. Woo! That's good stuff. Yeah guys, so this is the Java Flash. They make different versions of this. I'll leave some links on where you can purchase these. They usually retail around about $100. I've had this one for about 2 years and it's been just amazing. I've loved this thing. I'd rate this thing as far as boiling water, making coffee. I'd give it easily like a 9 as far as a rating, because I can have water. I can have a complete meal made in less than 5 minutes, and that's about the time it'll take you to build a fire. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Any comments? Anything you want to say? Fire away. I'll listen. Like, subscribe, whatever you got to do.